This year we're commemorating the 100-year anniversary of the armistice. We're acknowledging the lives of 255 local servicemen and women who gave their lives in World War I. We've brought together a group of apprentices and graduates to work on this project. We had ex-servicemen help us to create our installation.
We are Valentine Clays. We're very proud to be a local company and we're very proud to support JCB.
I'm here today to make these poppies for a special event what JCB are doing. Obviously, being in the surrounding areas, Rocester, Alton, Uttoxeter, etc., their grandfathers, grandmothers even, took part in the Great War.
A lot of people have got ancestors that were in the war itself, so of course doing something will make them realise that they aren't forgotten and they are still being remembered by people, big companies, all types of walk of life.
Retired employee and I do tour guiding at JCB. We're a great employer for ex-servicemen because they give us a chance. I myself joined as a disabled ex-serviceman about 50 years ago now, been there ever since. I come from a service family. My father was a regular soldier for 38 years, so I was really born into it. So it's been part of my life forever, if you like. I try and bring the children up to understand what it's all about, just to keep it alive.
I've been designing the spiral for the poppy appeal. It's a good opportunity to try and bring young people into a historical background that they might have not previously had much contact with. You know, it's 100 years this year, and therefore a lot of younger folk won't have potentially heard these stories.
When I first got approached, I was asked to do the fabricating and the welding on the structure and asked to give basic design ideas with the team. JCB is a big part of Rocester and it's celebrating the people who have served in the war. It's definitely a good memorial and it brings the whole workforce together, ex-servicemen and the apprentices.
It's nice for everybody to remember those that did give us the way of life we've got now.
It means a great deal to ex-servicemen and women and all their families of JCB. These people gave so much. They gave the ultimate sacrifice, and all the ex-servicemen and women were willing to do the same when they went into the service. So for us to acknowledge them and their willingness to give all for us is huge, and it's just a way to say thank you to all of them.